What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a voiceover, okay? But I'm here to talk about this headband wig that I got from Bestlacewigs, and I also want to give them a huge shout out and a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. So if you want to see me chat about this wig and see how I style it, install it, all that good stuff, then just make sure you keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So first of all, this is how the packaging looks. It's just this little white box, and when you open it up, the hair should be in there, but it's on my head. So you're seeing these 5 headbands that I got with it, along with a rat tail comb, 2 wig caps, a pamphlet, and this thing that I had no idea what it was at first until I saw some little instructions on the bag that it came in, and I realized it was like a makeshift wig head, which I thought was so cool because you don't have to be, if I want to travel with this wig, I don't have to take a whole mannequin head. I can just pop this together and build my wig head. So you just assemble it, put it together, and voila, it's literally done. Like, I just thought this was the coolest thing, and I really appreciated that they put this in the packaging. So yeah, now we move on to the actual part of me installing this wig. So first of all, I'm going to take off my bonnet. Yes, I already did my edges and put my wig cap on because you guys should already know how to do that. So what I do is slide back the wig cap only in the middle, but I keep the sides closer to the perimeter of my head, like right where my edges start. And here I'm just showing you the wig. It's an ombre color body wave Indian Remy hair. It's 18 inches and it comes with 4 combs, 3 in the front and 1 in the back. Also comes with adjustable straps and the headband on the wig itself. So I normally hook just the middle clip right under the wig cap. I don't really do the sides because I don't want it that secure, and I also do the back. Excuse my nape hairs, I know they need to be tamed, but nobody's gonna see all of that, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, this is the hair straight out of the box. Well, not really, because I already wore it and put some mousse in it already, but I tried to brush it out to get back the original thing. So yeah, all I do is just fold that headband in half because I do want that little front part of my natural hair to show, along with my edges. I just want it to look really cute and look really natural. So yeah, now I'm going in with this Tresemme mousse. I'm gonna put the name on the screen, or I'll link the products in the description below. So what I do is just go in with a handful of that mousse and put it on a section. So I just run it right through, rake it through with my hands, with my fingers. And then because it's so sticky, I like to follow up with the Diva Curl Shine and Define thingamajig, whatever it's called, yeah.
I had to change my way of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she goes, the way my soul, that's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me. The so give me all of you.
And then I scrunch it like I would do my natural hair, and it just makes the curls more defined because I can't find another word to explain that. So yeah, that's what you see right there. You can see the little bit of difference, and I just basically do the same thing to the other side.
I shouldn't play no games, but you just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you ain't speak, that was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do, man, it's true. Exchange, yeah, hey, exchange for the better. I know you know how to make me feel it. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby.
So this is what it looks like when it's done. And then, you know, here's my close-up just showing you the texture of the hair. I will say this hair is extremely soft. It had little to no shedding. This hair is just so beautiful, and it looks really natural. Like, this looks like it could be my real hair. Honestly, like, it's just so cute. Yes, sir. Looks. So yeah, I'm just basically showing you different ways you can style the hair. So you can either wear it straight down the middle, you know, push it back so it doesn't have like this center part, or my personal favorite, I always do like a side part. That is my absolute favorite. The other way I could wear it is with a low ponytail and also a high ponytail. And then you could also put on one of the headbands that they gave you in the box, but I just like this black headband that it already came with, or I'd probably use some other ones, but if I was going for a certain look, I'd definitely use the ones that they gave me. So yeah, overall, I really do think that this is my new go-to wig because it is just so gorgeous. Like, it is so easy to wear, it is so easy to install, it's easy to maintain, and yeah, like, y'all ain't never gonna see my natural hair again. Just letting y'all know, okay? And I just want to once again thank Bestlacewigs for sending me this wig to show you guys, you know, I gotta put y'all on when I get good products, okay? So if you want to see more videos like this, or you have any other video suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.